We are in Hungary, Budapest. Behind us is one of the premises of the Pasztor Group. The company is one of Hungary's major dealer of Peugeot and Citroën cars. This is their main focus. But the owner, Mr. Pasztor, also has a soft spot for classic cars. So they created Pasztor Classics. Pasztor Classics is restoring cars in basically the whole alphabet, from Alfa Romeo to Volvo, or here in Eastern Europe, maybe a Volga. And we'll go and ask Mr. Pasztor why he chose the Aquablast and what he will be using it for. We are restoring and servicing classic cars. Part of the business is cleaning and preparing the components, and we used to do this with sandblasting and chemical cleaning. This is quite a lengthy process, making it time-consuming and expensive. We decided to purchase a Vixen Aquablast because this machine speeds up the work and we can achieve a much nicer surface finish in a much shorter time. The first project we are using the Aquablast for is an Alfa Romeo Spider. It is a 1978 model with a 2-liter engine, and we can see here the pedal board, a real showpiece mounted prominently in the engine bay. We are also experimenting with lots of different parts, not just the obvious ones like aluminum castings. Great results have been achieved in dirty and painted over rubber parts, stainless tubes and plastic parts. To my real surprise, we were even able to perfectly restore a grab handle. It only took a few minutes in the Aquablast to achieve this clean surface finish. It obviously did not harm the aluminum part. The marks of the original factory machining process are clearly visible now. Even the tightest corners are clean now, and after a quick blow of compressed air, the part is ready to be mounted in the car.